Improving the search engine optimization (SEO) of your YouTube channel can significantly increase its visibility, attract more viewers, and grow your subscriber base. Here's a detailed guide on how to do SEO for your YouTube channel. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to find relevant keywords related to your channel's content. Look for keywords that have a decent search volume but are not overly competitive. Video title. Include your target keyword naturally in the video title. Keep the title concise, engaging, and descriptive to attract viewers' attention. Video description. Write a detailed and informative video description, at least 200 words. Include your target keyword and related keywords in the description. Add links to your website, social media, or other related videos in the description. Tags. Use relevant tags that reflect the content of your video. Include both broad and specific tags to increase the chances of appearing in related searches. Custom thumbnail. Create eye-catching and relevant custom thumbnails for your videos. Thumbnails are often the first thing viewers see, so make sure they accurately represent your content. Video transcript. Upload a transcript of your video, captions, to provide search engines with more context about your content. This can also make your videos more accessible to a broader audience. Engagement and interaction. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a community around your channel. Playlists and series. Organize your videos into playlists based on topics or themes. Create video series to encourage viewers to watch multiple videos in one go, increasing watch time. Promotion and sharing. Share your videos on social media platforms and embed them on your website or blog. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Consistency and frequency. Post videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency in your upload schedule helps build trust with your viewers and improves your channel's performance. Video length and quality. Create high-quality videos with good production value. Longer videos, above 10 minutes, tend to perform better in search results, but focus on delivering value rather than stretching content. Watch time and retention. Encourage viewers to watch your videos for a longer duration. Create compelling content that keeps viewers engaged to improve watch time and audience retention. Monitor analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to track your video performance. Analyze which videos perform well and identify patterns to refine your content strategy. Remember that SEO on YouTube is an ongoing process. Keep experimenting, learning, and adapting your strategies to stay ahead in the competitive landscape. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication, but with consistent effort and the right approach, you can see significant growth and success.